Hello and welcome back to a video, and this is probably going to be the first video on this channel. I'm not sure yet, and this probably is. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add Wikipedia to your Python. So let's get straight into it then. So what you want to do is just create a new file. I'm using PyCharm and we call it wikipedia _tutorial. There we go. Oh, yep, sorry. Forgot to add the extension. That is actually really important to add that in. Okay, so first of all, and this is going to be under 7 lines of code, in about 7 lines of code, under 10, and it's going to be less than 5 minutes, I hope. So let's get straight into it. So first we're going to import Wikipedia. So you can pip install that if you would like. So first of all, so now we're going to make forgot the name of this, but you're just going to make one of these. So I'm going to call this Wikipedia _search. And basically what you're telling it is that whatever the user inputs from here, whatever the user inputs will be what we search up. So what do you wish to search? There you go. And then you're just going to leave it like that, and you want it in dot lower, just as a habit of mine. I like to put it in dot lower, and then so wiki search underscore answer is equal to print Wikipedia dot summary. And you want that as the Wikipedia search, and then if you just click run up here, run set Wikipedia tutorial, it'll then come up with what do you wish to search. I'm going to go Tom Hanks. I'm going to come up with Tom Hanks, and then it's going to then show me what Wikipedia says about Tom Hanks here. And I use this wiki search answer here just so when you develop your code, it will you'll then be able to print that separately. So I'm able to go like this, print wiki underscore search answer, and it will then ask what do I want to search. Tom Hanks. It will then show you that, and then it says none because for some reason it's not working, but that's not the whole point of it. Thank you for watching, and that is this first video, or maybe second or third video on this channel. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more simple, quick tutorials like this. I'll see you next time.